In the hush of the hour, shadows hold their stance. Stars whisper stories, a celestial dance. The earth hums softer, cradled in its glow. A timeless pause before the day will show. Silver longing spills and stretches wide. Dreams still roam where the shadows hide. Draped in quiet, the world takes its cue. A canvas waits for the morning hue. Trees stand like statues, their whispers asleep in the folds of silence. Secrets they keep, breath of the dawn hangs fragile, restrained. A quiet world that the night has trained. Golden rays will conquer, creeping slow. But now is the moment where stillness flows. A fragile line where dreams still thrive. Between night and day, they come alive. The breeze, a poet, its verse is slight, tracing paths where stars align. The edge of time where silver and gray, before the sun demands its say. Silver longing spills and stretches wide. Dreams to roam where the shadows hide. Draped in quiet, the world takes its cue. A canvas waits for the morning hue. Trees stand like statues, their whispers asleep in the folds of silence. Secrets they keep, breath of the dawn hangs fragile, restrained. A quiet world that the night has trained.